Hi everyone, hola a todos. I'm Gisel Calvillo, Senior National Artist for MAC Cosmetics. I'm originally from Mexico, but I'm based in New York City. And today I want to show you guys how to cover up dark circles, how to perfect skin and even out complexion using our Studio Fix 24-hour Smooth Wear Concealer. So stay tuned with me and I'll show you just how to do it. I'm going to start off using this magic little eye cream called Fast Response Eye Cream. A pea-size amount is just enough to do the job. And we're gonna start right in the center here. Also, I like to use either my middle finger or my ring finger just because it's more gentle. And all you're gonna do is press this in. So I'm just gonna give myself a little massage and that feels really nice. All right. Next, we're gonna use my favorite product called Prep and Prime Skin Refine Zone. I call this the magic liquid powder. What's important about this product is to also use a tiny amount. So I'm gonna start it off right here where I tend to have a little bit of larger pores. So there you can see how instantly my skin became a lot more matte, and basically now I have a really nice palette to work with. I'm gonna use our Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 foundation. It's a buildable foundation. You want basically the size of your thumb, almost like a thumbprint. You can start little and then you can always build more. I'm actually gonna use this brush called the 190S brush. Sometimes I feel like a sponge might absorb the product where this is gonna place it on. I'm gonna do it on half my face so you guys see the difference. I always start in the center of my face and I work the product out. And you wanna do this sweeping kind of tapping motion because this is gonna build the coverage so that you don't have to use a lot of product and you still get that perfect even complexion. I use very little on the forehead just because on me generally, it's already quite even, but this area here is what actually needs the coverage. And now I can use larger strokes so that it just really blends everything in. And you can see that compared to the other side, it's a very light veil. Now remember, I can always build this, I can always add more. Now another wonderful little tip about this foundation, it actually lasts 24 hours. I'm wearing shade NC42, and as you can see from my face to my body, everything looks like it belongs to one. The shade matches perfectly to my skin tone so that I know that I don't have to entirely blend it all the way down to my neck. So now for my favorite part, covering up my dark circles. So this is our Studio Fix 24-hour Smooth Wear Concealer, and I honestly feel like having a kid needs to come with a tube of concealer because you don't sleep. And this product is one of my absolute favorites just because it's a liquid, it's so easy to blend, and I'm just going to place about 3 little dots right in that discoloration area. And I love to use this product in the center of my face. You see my little freckles there. Now we're gonna blend. I'm gonna use my favorite little brush, the 217, to blend everything away, tiny little circular motions. Sometimes the discoloration goes all the way up above the brow. You can always add a little bit of product, just about a dot, this area here. I'm even working whatever I have there and bringing it up just to blend it. And if you have any type of redness there, which sometimes happens as well, you can take a little bit more concealer just to brighten that area as well and give you this nice little lift. So as you can see from one side to the other, the area that has concealer and how much brighter my complexion looks, and the area that doesn't looks a bit more unfinished, doesn't it? I'm wearing shade NC42, which is the same as my foundation. It's non-creasing, non-caking, and it's a 24-hour wear. So again, you're gonna get longevity with this product, so your skin is just gonna look perfect throughout the whole day. I'm gonna use Prep and Prime highlighter just to brighten up. It has optical diffusers in it, so it's gonna really give me this luxurious skin. And I'm just gonna place it in the center, almost where the light would hit my face. I love to do the edges of my mouth because it gives a nice little lift, little perk. And do a little bit above the brow as well. And I'm using shade Light Boost. It's gonna really lighten and brighten everything that I want. So now you're seeing it, it's giving me more dimension. One thing I really love about this product is that it's a really natural way to add these highlights onto the skin that look really believable. All right, so now let's even out the other side. So I'm gonna use Mineralized Skin Finish Natural just to give me a touch of sun and so that I have a little bit of dimension across my face. And the shade is dark, and I did wanna go a little bit deeper in my skin tone just so that it looks natural, but again, it doesn't look flat. Let's add a touch of lipstick. I always love to do a nude shade just to add a little bit of something to my lips, and it still looks natural and believable. So So my favorite shade is called Kinda Sexy, because it's kinda sexy. It's the perfect peachy nude that looks, again, just like my skin tone, but it has a hint of color. So I love to use my fingers to blend in the color just so that it looks a lot more natural. So I'm gonna use a hint of Eyebrows Big Boost Fiber Gel, and the shade is in Lingering because it's an instant way to get my brow game on. It has a tint and it nicely thickens the hair so that my brows look fuller. All right, for the finishing touch, I'm going to use Fix Plus, one of my absolute favorite products, and I'm gonna give myself a nice even spritz all over my skin because it's gonna set the makeup, it's gonna keep it fresh all day long, and honestly, it smells so good. You're gonna give it about a couple seconds. Once it dries, you're ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed watching how to cover dark circles and perfect your skin using our Studio Fix 24-hour Smooth Wear Concealer. So stay tuned for some more videos like this on our MAC channel. Bye guys.